And I can't find anything that they turned off, so the water's still on.
So my neighbors behind me on the second floor, the water bill literally quadrupled, and they determined that there was a water leak. So unfortunately, they couldn't find the leak, and they went all over this apartment here. You can see it's an eight apartment complex, and I'm on the first floor there. And they went through the whole property with like a leak detection, like a sonogram, going all over the ground to try to find it. And they went to all the apartments. They came back to my apartment twice. And the second time, this guy comes in with headphones and he's placing this leak detector, and he's trying to hear if there's a leak on the in my apartment. And sure enough, right in front of my desk here, they found a leak. And I asked the maintenance guy who was with the guy, with the leak doctor, I said, what does this mean? And the maintenance guy says, do you really want to know? And I'm like, yeah. He says, we're going to have to dig up, take your carpet out, and literally jackhammer through the cement in order to repair the leak. And I'm like, what the crap?
I don't even know what building it's to. The maintenance told me that the line that's going through this place is to another apartment. Yep. Yeah, but leak detector already did that. I think so. That's kind of the point I'm at, because the dirt has not changed. It's not any more wet. I'm seeing zero water, and I don't see any, the dampness of the dirt is not changing whatsoever. I'm seeing zero water. Well, there's no point, because there's no water coming up anywhere.
So they basically didn't find the leak where they drilled. So they wasted all of my time in ripping my apartment, as you can see here, and there was no leak. So they eventually did find the leak, but it was outside my window.
Pull back up with the dirt and the cement. They didn't find a leak. There was no water in the hole. There was no sound, no indication that there was a leak. So the leak doctors, which are supposed to detect leaks, and they bring that device and with sound to find the leak, indicated that they basically said that this was the spot. And when the service masters, when the plumbers came in for pipe repair, they said there's no leak there.